What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Labubu. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to draw a curve that comes down and we'll bend that back up. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Coming down and up. Now I want to tuck two large ovals for the eyes underneath the brow. So we're going to start over on the left, come down toward the bottom of the eye, and then tuck that up underneath. Let's draw that same size oval on the right. Come down towards the same height and then back up. And I want the character looking over towards the right side. So from the top left of the eye, we step in, draw the outside edge of the iris, pull that out. Do the same thing on the right. Now on the top left side, let's add a small circle for a highlight. And I'll add another one along the bottom right, going a little bit smaller. And I want to fill the inside of the pupils in black, and we want to go around those highlights. Now along the bottom of the eyes, let's move to the center and draw the nose. Start with a curve across the top. From the ends, round this out and pull that in towards the bottom point. Let's add 3 small freckles in the center. Now from the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out and draw the mouth. Let's start on the left. Goes down, go all the way across, and then bend that up towards the right. Then we're going to add some freckles on the end. Start with 1 point. Move up, draw 2, and then 1 along the top. Now let's add the teeth along the bottom, starting in the center, come down and up toward the left and right side. Now go back to the left side. We're just going to continue to add some more teeth going around the side of the mouth. Do the same thing going out towards the right. Now from the corners of the mouth, let's step out, add another curve, coming around, coming in toward the middle, go across, and then back up. I want to pull this up and then in. Now you want to add a fur edge across the middle. Let's start back on the left, coming down, and it's up and in. Let's add another point, coming down, and up. Let's do that one more time. Coming down, pull that up towards the middle, go up towards the right, and then back up. Now we're going to draw the outside of the head. Let's start in the middle at the very top. Start with a point, go out and back in to create a point of hair. Now we're going to go all the way around the outside and then down. Let's add another point. Come all the way around the side, down, add a point. Now I'm going to work our way back in towards the chin. Just adding these points of fur. Now let's pull this down and in towards the middle, leaving a gap in the center. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw in the ears. Let's leave a gap in the center, start over on the left, bend this up, round up the ear, come around the outside, and then down on top of the head. Let's line this up on the right. Going up, round up the ear, and then come down around the outside. Let's trace each of the ears along the inside. Now let's add that patch in the center. Going up, and then back down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start over on the left, leaving a gap underneath the head, bend this out and then down towards the hip. Go to the right and do the same thing. Now let's move to the center, step all the way down and add a curve, coming down and up. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down to the left heel, and then the right heel. And I'll draw the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left, going down and then up on both sides. Let's go back to the left side, curl the foot, going up and then down towards the heel. Now I'm going to separate the toes with 2 curves on either side. Let's go back up to the hips, draw the outside of the leg. Start with the left, we're going to go out and then down about halfway. Let's add a point of fur, continue out and then down on top of the foot. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip. Bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb and close this off with a bracket. Now I'm going to add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, go around that bracket, go to the side, there in the second finger, and then the third finger bends up and then in underneath the head. Let's separate the wrist with a fur texture. Starting from the thumb, bend this out and down, bend this up. Let's add a couple more points going toward the outside of the arm and bend that down. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting from the thumb. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Labubu, and now I'm going to try this 1-minute challenge to stretch my creativity. Now the purpose of this exercise is to look at the same character in a different way, and because of the time constraint, there's no tiny details or perfect curves, just the core shapes that define this character. Now I'm going to really focus on the eyes and the mouth because this is what makes this character stand out. This exercise is also great at developing your observational skills. The continuous movement of your pen forces you to commit to your lines and stay fluid. And now I'll finish this off with the same signature colors. And now I'm going to go even faster with this 10-second challenge. And hey, if you had fun today, hit that subscribe button because I post new drawing videos every single day. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative and I'll see you in the next one.